Hey, let me show you all workouts list that you can actually find on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3. And I'm just gonna open the workout list and let's take a look. I'm just gonna keep scrolling so we can easily read and see every workout that is actually available on this device. And don't worry, it's actually not finished. We've got also the different workouts when you click here, but we have to manually add them into the workout list. So you can actually tell me in the comments if you actually find the workout that you are looking for. I'm gonna actually stop right here for a few moments because for some reason, okay, there's functional training and the physical training. Let's keep scrolling. Okay, we got some dances. Okay, we've got even esports. If I go too fast, you can actually slow down this video. Now we got some other sports, like for example the basketball, tennis, bowling. Okay, now we got some water sports. The winter sports, extreme, like for example the parkour, and even auto racing. And yeah, this is it, the all workout list on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.